there, my name is Carrie Darcy and I'm the Teen Librarian at the Thomas Crane Public Library. Today I'm here to talk to you about some of our online databases and give you a walkthrough tutorial on how to use Novelist Plus, our online reader's advisory tool. Novelist can be found on our research page under databases. And when you get here, if you just scroll down, it is the fourth database listed. Novelist is one of the few databases that we have that you do need to have a library card for. So if you don't have a card, please go to our TCPL at home page and sign up for an e-card there. Once you've done that, your card should be ready to go in Novelist within 24 hours. So here's Novelist. You'll notice that up top it has a very basic keyword search, and then down on the left-hand side you have a recommended read list. This populates a number of different lists based off of age, genre, fiction versus nonfiction. So we're going to start by doing a simple title search. I'm going to look for 6 of Crows by Leah Bardugo. And then once you find your title, you just want to click on that. And you'll notice on the right-hand side, you have a list of Readalikes. These are all books that are very similar to the title that you searched for, whether it's by genre, writing style, themes, anything of that nature. I do want to point out that Novelist has integrated with Goodreads, so this starred popularity that you see underneath the title is actually from Goodreads itself. And below that, we have a list of all of the professional journals that reviewed the book as well. So you're able to see all of the professional reviews for whatever title you search for. So let's say you've already read 6 of Crows and you're waiting for the next book in the series to come out and you're just trying to find something to read next. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see an option to search for more. And in here you can search by genre, storyline, subject, theme, or character. We're going to go ahead and select high fantasy and rescues. Okay, so here is a list of all the books that are high fantasy. You'll notice that on the left-hand side, you are able to refine your results. You can do that by age, publication date, themes, genre, storyline, a variety of different options. You'll also notice that we have this link that says check availability here as well. The one thing I do want to point out is that when you click on check availability, all of the copies that it lists here are only print and audio. In order to see any of our digital resources, you do need to click on the Go to Catalog link. And you'll notice once here that you're able to see our ebook options in Overdrive as well. Okay. So this is how you do a basic search in Novelist. There's one other feature that I would like to highlight before we leave, and that's the appeal mixer. So if you go to Browse By and Appeal, you'll have an option to kind of create your own book lists. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to refine by character. We're going to select for that likability. For storyline, we're going to pick character driven. And then for writing style, we're going to select compelling. So what this list does is it puts together a pretty well-tailored list. You'll see 15 items here, and these are all books that have likable, character-driven, with compelling storylines. So what it really does is it helps to kind of flesh out your reading interests as much as possible. So just showing you this, we want you guys to know that Novelist is a great tool for when you're trying to put together library-themed book lists, coming up with books for your next book discussion or homework assignment. If you're trying to tailor your summer reading lists, it can be used for a variety of things, and including reader's advisory. But if you have any further questions, please contact your middle school librarians or reach out to us at the Thomas Crane Public Library. Thanks so much. Bye.